Okay, welcome to Shadow Appliances Repair. My helper is helping me take off the screws on the bottom of the washing machine.
Can't get them because you put them too tight.
You put them too tight. Hey, don't do them, Tim. You might tear them up then. You can hold the camera then. Well, I'm already getting attached to the magnet over here on the side of the washing machine.
Oh, they got dirty.
Oh, they're going to get much dirtier than that. Should have had it facing that way. That would have been funny.
No, and I didn't go twice. No.
Oh.
Quick looking lady, you won't have it right in your eyes. Okay, go.
Just got that big and full. They both look pretty bad on them, though.
Go get another one. Okay, get it.
Scraper in between it. Push up. Another one. Push up. And then after you have it like that, you got to push down on this piece. Push down. And then it pops right out. Then you want to make sure where that spring is right there in there. You can't really see it very well. There it is. That spring right there, you got to remember what spot is in. And it's in the third one. So when you take this off, you won't get it, in the wrong spot, and then you cause a lot of problems. But then you gotta take a, say, a flat screwdriver. Let's do, this one might not be big enough. But we gotta get down here. And there's a spot right here where this piece is. That it's gotta come off of. Let's go ahead and push the let's get this belt out of the way here. If I can get this belt out of the way here. That is almost out of the way now. Alright. Belt is that now. There we go. The belt is out of the way now. And as you can tell, the belt did have a big break in it. So that is a good thing that I got another belt. Yep, the belt's in pretty bad shape.
Yeah.
Alright, now the fun part is trying to get that piece off. Well, what it was saying, that there was a certain piece you have to push down on, but I have not able to see that one piece yet.
Do you want to show me the new one?
There's the new belt with the helper. And it's in pretty good shape too. It's not messed up like that other one was, so that is pretty good now. So,
Let's see what she says she's stuck with.
alright. I just gotta figure out how to get that piece off. Huh. I see it. A little itty bitty washer. What?
I got a snake. Bigger than her.
Here's the bad belt. That's pretty bad. That's why it's not wanting to work right either.
So this one goes to that, right?
But yeah, this one goes to this, and there's another piece in there that goes to this too. I got 3 pieces. I got the belt, the new pulley, and the new spring. But that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.